In this video, I'm gonna show you how to embed YouTube video in Canva. So if you are looking for a way to insert YouTube video in Canva design, then keep watching. First, open any web browser and go to canva.com. Just log into your Canva account. Next, create a design as per your needs. Just click Create a Design button at top right side. And here you may choose from the available formats. Alternatively, you can click Custom Size and enter width and height of the design of your choice. I will choose 1920 by 1080 size. Next, click Apps icon on the left panel. Now in the search bar at the top, enter YouTube and hit enter. Click on YouTube icon to access YouTube inside Canva. Here you can search for a particular video using search bar provided. Or just copy the video link from YouTube. Now paste it in Notepad and just copy the ending part after V equal to, which is basically video ID. Now paste this ID in search field and hit enter. Here you will find the video. Just click on the video and this will be added to Canva design. You can resize and align the video as per requirements. You can even add animated effects on the embedded video. So that is how you can embed YouTube video in Canva. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.